Hello everybody, it's using my mic this time, good. Today we're using ElementaryOS. I heard this one's a really good one from a lot of distro reviewers, and I've also wanted to look at it myself. I actually wanted it to be my daily driver, but I wasn't fully sure of it. Now we have it. Of course, it's going to be really hard on this screen because this goes to my secondary screen, so that's going to be fun to deal with. Why isn't it loading? Jesus. So, something's not loading properly. As I say that, of course, that pops up. So, let's try ElementaryOS. Let's experiment with it. Let's have fun with it, shall we? So far I'm getting a lot of good impressions. Except the huge amount of lag. This might be my computer, of course. And also the fact that this is a really big virtual machine for it. I also might not have my virtual settings set up right, but who knows? Because I don't really know how to navigate the BIOS too well still. I'm still working on learning BIOS settings. So, yeah, let's experiment. And ta-da! Oh, is this the browser? Oh boy. So videos, we're talking to YouTube logo. Hey. System settings. And also let's look at the browser. Oh no. It's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? Where it lags out so bad that it just doesn't fully work. Okay, so these loading times are starting to irritate me a little bit. I'm gonna grab my drink. Been thirsty since around midnight. Oh, by the way, I'm recording this around midnight, so is this to my no? Okay, I was just making sure. So we have our web browser up and going. It looks nice. It looks pretty nice. So it's I don't know if it runs every. Oh, it tells us which ones we can search. Well, we're just going to youtube.com. And we're going to quickly play about 3 seconds of any random video. Probably frame damage, of course. They can't copyright strike me for 3 seconds. So, I'm already on the low end with this one because it's starting to...
Good grammar and spelling are important. But if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that forge brighter...
Play an ad. I don't care. As long as you can do something, that's fine. Let's do desktop. Let's enter our desktop. Wallpaper, dock. We want our font things to be large. Pressure reveal, no. Wallpaper, hot corners, what? We're gonna set this one to show windows. Not bad. Works, obviously. Let's multitasking view. Oh, okay, cool. Can I do the same thing with my Windows button? Possibly not. Oh, it's showing Mac things. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Get it? Because it's a Mac OS clone? Only so far worse, actually, in some cases. Sure, it's more customizable. But I'm already on the low end of liking this. Calendar, music, App Center. Oh. So we have to download all the apps. Probably on this version, though. So we only get calendar here. So it probably shows a lot more when we're elsewhere. But that's... Come on, guys. Also, where's your files? Is this it? No, that's the browser. No, thank you. Excuse me. Applications. Okay, we'll just open up the code editor. New file. Let's make it a desktop thing. A new folder called app. And save it as app.py. Save. What are these buttons? Where's the freaking run button? I think I can just press F5, right? Apparently not. Select file with a different name, open a folder, open a file. Store this, this is this, and this is this. That. Menu. Bigger, okay. Okay, the apps might be limited here, but I am not going to deduct many points from that. This is just the trial version. But as far as I can see, there's no LibreDocs, which is weird. Okay, let's look around. There's not much else to really do here, is there? This is weird. It has enough. I will give it that. It looks decent. I'll give it that. It's not the best looking OS in the universe. Of course not. It actually, to me, compared to some of the other ones like Zorin, Solus, Deepin that I've tested around with, 2 of them I recorded, right? This one just looks and feels the worst out of those 3. So it's not going to get a high score, but I personally see how people would like this, why people would use it. I just don't see much else in it. Elementary is one of those operating systems I see as just a waste of time, because there's just so many better options out there. Sure, it could be just the fact that I am just upsetting that there's no LibreDocs, there's no document at all. No document editor, there's just a basic code editor, and it just has the worst browser. I bet it's in the default too. I bet the default is it too when you install the operating system. So, what I have to give this, over all of its downfalls, everything, I have to give it a 6. A 6 out of 10. It's not the best. It's above average. It's just above average. And I think that's all it'll ever be, really. Just barely above average. To me, it's just D level. It's not the best. It doesn't look that great either, with the GNOME kind of feel to it. Also, this pops up whenever the frick it wants. Not when I tell it to. That makes no sense to me. This operating system makes no sense to me. English, yeah, this is all fine and all. But I think it's time to shut it down. Goodbye, everyone. And have a wonderful day. Still going.